Hey guys, I'm very excited. I've got a 4-inch, they call it a 100 millimeter, horizontal vertical rotary table. I got the small one because of the size of my little horizontal mill. And let's unbox this and get our first impression. It was supposed to be here yesterday, but FedEx didn't deliver it because our road was blocked yesterday because of this tree service that's out there working, and FedEx didn't want to go around the block, so I got it today. So let's unbox it. Alright, let's take a look-see. Alright guys, this is by Vevor, I don't know how to pronounce it, but it's like Vevor. And no sponsor, because I'm not sponsored by anybody. Because nobody never gave me nothing! Now that's acting, ladies and germs. So, got the little instructions. Oh, that's cute. Okay, yeah, they got it wrapped up into this. This is, wow, that thing is heavy. Whoa, Joe. Yo. This thing weighs like a metric ton, dudes. Yikes. No. Dearie me. Okay. Got the little dividing plates in here. Allen wrench to go with it. And there's the handle. Okay. I'm going to go get a rag so I can wipe the grease off of this thing. It's full of the shipping grease. So, all right. Well, you know, I've seen reviews on the 6-inch one and the 8-inch one, and they talk about how heavy they were. And this little 4-inch one, it's like it's made out of bricks. All right, boy, that thing is nice and oily. Yikes! Whew. Good thing I got a lot of muscles. If I didn't have all these muscles, this thing would be a challenge. It's got that smell of industrial type of grease on it, industrial oil, and that's because it's got that oil on it. And all right. Well, if weight has anything to do with quality, this thing has got some quality. Okay. Oh, that's super cool. Oh yeah, it's turning. Sweet. Okay, there's a close-up of it. Alright. Nice. So far, dudes, I dig it. Let me turn that off. Oh yeah. So the on-off works exactly like the bigger ones with, you know, locking like that with it on, so that the thing here works, and with off like that, this freely turns. Okay, everything feels nice and tight. Wow, I dig it. Now let's take it down on my milling machine so you can kind of get an idea of why I got this scale. Hopefully I can use this baby. Have to get the handle on it. We'll do that downstairs in the shop. Alright, we'll screw this on here. And see, this is just, let's see what tighten that on there. Oh yeah, that's legit. Okay guys, and it came with these couple of T-nuts and indexing plates. Sweet. Okay, so some of you guys may ask, why did I buy that? Well, why do I do half the stuff I do? I only had one little project in mind with this. There's nothing huge, but I think I can do more with it now that I got it. It's horizontal here, and it's also vertical. So it's horizontal and vertical. And this is just an initial impression of it, and we'll do more videos when I start using it. Guys, I can't tell you how heavy this thing is. It's just unbelievable for the size of it, how heavy it is. So that's just going to be the quick little unboxing here. I think that's Morse taper 2. Let's take a look. That's yeah. So we got a Morse taper 2, 4 T-slots, horizontal, vertical. It's smooth as silk. Like I said, the reason I did this review is I didn't see the 4-inch one. I tried to scale it just looking at those other guys, and I really didn't get a good scale on it. Tried to scale it looking at their hands. Now you can see my hand, and I'm not like a giant. So I'll show you a scale on here that might bring it a little bit more in perspective. I was making a pulley, and that's the reason why I wanted to do something. I wanted something that is, I could do circular cuts. Well, anyway, here is a 6-inch pulley, and you can see that that's a 4-inch table. I do believe it's more metric, so I think it's 100 millimeter, but I don't do metric. I don't understand metric. It's too hard. It's base 10, which is hard. You know, I like to cut things up into 16ths and 32nds, you know, fractions. Anyway, you can see that if I mount that on there, it's got about an inch overhang around there. So yeah, that's about 4 inches, and this is 6 inches. So that's just a quick and dirty look at this. Like, I didn't bolt it down or anything, but I really like how the guy showed how you can turn this thing to the off position and spin this thing around by hand. Then you can put it back to the on position and use this. Alright, so like I said, quick, dirty. Man, I like new stuff. This thing is cool and the gang. So hopefully I'll show you when I show this again when I do something with it. But I just like cool stuff. Anyway, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope to see you again on the next video.